Welcome to Nature Bell Wellness. In pursuit of providing health and wellness services, Nature Bell is making a mark with the dream of becoming the wellness destination.
The very name, Nature Bell, was chosen in view of creating an awareness and respecting nature's alarm, our own inner messages, and the cellular wisdom to upkeep our health and well being.
The crane bird in the logo symbolizes happiness, longevity, focus, spirituality, and the balance needed to achieve the goal of health and well being.
Our holistic wellness clinic at Vijayanagar, Mysuru, provides daycare services. Health and wellness seekers receive consultation by the experts in the field of Ayurveda, yoga, meditation, and naturopathy. Nature Bell Wellness Resort, nestled on the bank of Holy River Kaveri, in the lap of nature at Srirangapatna, provides picturesque view and the perfect salubrious ambience.
Naturebell Wellness Retreat is coming up soon on Hunsur Road with luxurious pool villas offering panoramic views of serene nature.
Imbibe in Nature Bell's wellness ways of meditation, yoga practices, massage, panchakarma detox therapies, experiencing healthy, nutritious, organic food. Harmonize your body, mind, spirit, and achieve the optimal state of health and well being.